In this quick win video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a really simple chord progression backing track when a student's doing some 4-chord composing. So I'm in GarageBand. I'm going to click the top left plus button to create a new song, and I'm going to flip through the instruments until I get to guitar, and then I'm going to click Smart Guitar, which is just below the guitar. And what we're now going to do is we're just going to enter in the chords that the student has chosen for their 4-chord composing. So let's say it goes C to E minor to A minor and to G. I'm just clicking on the chord tones there. If you wanted to, you can strum them in time, but it's even easier to flip on autoplay. Let's go to maybe number 3. I'm going to also change the acoustic guitar to a roots rock guitar. Maybe we'll go to autoplay 4. Let's click on a chord and hear what it sounds like. Cool, that's good. Let's press record. Here we go. Now your student has a backing track created with their own chord progression that they can play along to. Let's hit play and play along. And it's as simple as that. Of course, you can go into heaps more depth, but that gives you an overview of just how clever and quickly GarageBand can create great backing tracks using your students' own chord progressions. How cool is that? If you're interested in more about GarageBand, head to timtopham.com/GarageBand for full course information, lesson plan downloads, and tutorial videos.